Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be reviewing the Sanuke 120-piece copper lug set. This set provides 100% copper lugs for 2, 4, 6, and 8 gauge wires and is perfect for wiring projects where you have lots of different wire sizes but you only need a few copper lugs for each size. What we're going to do in this video is we're going to lay out all the pieces of this set so you can see exactly what is included. And then finally, we're going to crimp one of these lugs onto one of our wires so that you can see the final result. Let's get into the details. When you first open the box, you can really see just how many different lug sizes they provide in this set. In total, there are 60 lugs for 2, 4, 6, and 8 gauge wires. And for each gauge, there are 1/4 of an inch, 5/16 of an inch, and 3/8 of an inch ring sizes, also known as M6, M8, and M10 sizes. These are the 3 most popular ring sizes when connecting to most terminal posts. What you also get are 60 heat shrink wrappers to reinforce and protect the connection point between the lug and the wire. You also have this handy chart to tell you where each lug size is located in the box. It can be hard to see everything that is provided here, so we're going to take all of these lugs out and lay them out for you. Here, we've laid out all the different lugs and heat shrink. And as you can see, there are 5 copper lugs for every wire and ring size. You've got lugs for your 8 gauge wires here, 6 gauge wires here, 4 gauge here, and 2 gauge here. And below is all the heat shrink provided. Now, let's crimp one of these lugs onto our wires. For this example, I'm going to crimp a 1/4 of an inch lug over my 4 gauge wire using this handy hydraulic crimper. So let's get to it. And once you've made your crimp, this is what it should look like. And finally, I'm going to place a heat shrink wrapper over my copper lug, and we're going to use a heat gun to activate the heat shrink. And this is what your final result will look like. If you require lots of different size lugs for your project, we recommend this lug set for convenience and cost savings. Building an electrical system in a camper van can be complicated. Just look at all the products that you'll need. That's why we provide an electrical wiring ebook filled with simple, intuitive wiring diagrams and product and tool recommendations to help you build your system as fast as possible. To access this free ebook, click the link in the description below or head over to our website's homepage. Happy building!